Yesterday, I went to the antique store in Owego, New York. It's near where my mom lives. And while I was there, I found some pretty fun stuff that would be really good for yarn storage and solutions. So the first thing I found was buttons, which really doesn't have anything to do with yarn storage or solutions, but it's still fun to look, right? And I love that one with the little eyes and the nose. That'd be really cute for amigurumi. So everywhere I looked, I found wooden crates, which are amazing for yarn storage. I love this box. It made me think of Claire from Outlander and her medicine box. Not really good for yarn storage though. The drawers are just way too small. This fishing basket, I thought would be a great idea because you could have the yarn come out of the top, kind of like a yarn bowl, you know? I thought that was a really fun idea for a project basket. Of course, there were lots of metal baskets. I found those all over the place in different crocks and all kinds of baskets. Oh, this was really neat. I've never seen this there before. They had locally grown alpaca yarn, so that was really nice. I didn't buy any, but it was nice. Okay, so this is a cup holder, one of those expandable cup holders, and I thought this box would be nice to hang on the wall too. It was laying flat, but if you hung that on the wall, that would be really nice for shelving. These crates I thought would be amazing to stack. And this one too. I love all the little compartments. This is a wine rack, and it actually did come home with me, so you'll get to see how I used that. And this bench was so long. I think it was 6 feet long. It was amazing. Really, really cool. Because you could store so much in it. And when you're not storing stuff in it, you could sit on it and crochet, put lots of pillows and stuff on it. I think the dots on the side were like just so it didn't scratch the wall. Okay, so this was a surprise too. Look, it's a yarn spinning wheel. Spinning wheel? No, what do they call it? A yarn winder. That's what it is. A yarn winder. So that was kind of neat to see. I'm not sure if it's an antique. It might be. But that was nice to see there. Looked like it was in working order. Okay, so these are more of those metal baskets. I just think they would be a really decorative way to display your yarn as well as to store it. And this is an idea I actually do. I do hang my baskets on the wall like that. So while I was there, I did see some other people's handiwork, which was kind of nice. So a couple different crochet blankets. There was probably more, but this was just what I saw. Oh, so I thought this box was really cool. I thought it was a nice basket. And oh, there's me with Elvis. Never know where you're going to meet the king. Okay, this, I don't know what that is. You never really know what you're going to find at the antique store, do you? Okay, so let's keep going. And if you guys hear a lot of bird song, it's because I'm doing this recording out on my back porch. So enjoy the sound of the birds. Yeah, so we're on the second floor of the antique store now, and I came across this crate that someone had put like table legs on, and I thought that was an interesting idea. It might be kind of a neat way to have your projects lined up next to you. And next to that table, I saw these toolboxes with the long handles, and I thought what a great way to put your project in there with your yarn and your hooks, and you can, take that around the house and have it next to you while you're working. I love that idea. I guess I would call that farmhouse chic, but I do like it a lot. Okay, so the adventure continues, and once again, I have no idea what I'm looking at, how these things go together, but maybe you have an eclectic taste. Okay, so this is another cup holder, and it's a little bit bigger than the one that I chose, but that's kind of what I was looking for. And back down on the first floor, and I was getting ready to buy my purchases, I saw a spinning wheel, so that was kind of cool too. Neat to see. From there, we decided it was time to go grab some lunch. It was a beautiful day, but hot. Hi, so I'm going to do some rearranging today with some of the things that I bought at the antique store yesterday. So I've got kind of a mess here right now, so I'm not going to show you too much but I'll show you the end result. And yes, no, I did not put any makeup today. Okay, so that about does it. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me at the antique store and finding some creative solutions for yarn storage. And I hope you go play with your yarn today and have a lot of fun doing it. I know I always have fun rearranging my yarn. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to click like and subscribe and share and all the YouTube stuff. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.